rocket launcher now?
Finally.
We got one in the truck.
He's a DMR, which is perfect.
I like it.
He's gonna stay back again last time.
We have to go take that objective again.
Yeah.
No worries.
So, do we have to have all our guys there, or
No,
can
we
we surprise them with it?
No, there's no surprise. We just gotta go get him now.
With a smaller group forward.
It's just gonna be that right side's gonna flank them in an L shape.
Yeah, so
Elements on the blue
after this
side.
one, we have to come back up this
Green
way.
side will move up as a distraction.
Send a smaller group
support
this
by
way?
fire. The right
Alright.
side, you guys are gonna come into the base.
one more time.
Why don't we send a smaller group this way and have the bigger group get that?
No, there's only one base over here that we need to take, the SS base. We can't push up past that until we take it. Yeah. So we're getting the supplies. We're gonna put it into the truck. Once the truck moves, once we take it, the truck's gonna move up.
Did Dale give them to you? Alright, yeah. Frickin' snipper riffles.
Moro, let's go. We're moving. No.
Already have contact up here.
Force Kong, Steel 2, Delta Force 1. Hey, there's a friendly throw left of these.
There you go, man.
Right there, take to the friendly.
Oh, fuck it. Damn it. Wow.
Be advised, enemy tank in front of SS base.
Hey, us four need to go that way then.
I don't know. Radio near the technical, we need a bazooka.
Hey, you got the rocket launcher! Hey! Hey, rocket launcher dude! Hey, we got a technical in front of the base. I need you to take it out.
Last calling station, we have a rocket launcher coming your way for a technical. Hot copy. Any chance you can double time it? His way.
He's on the right side with blue. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Where's the DeVito? They're gonna pull up to that truck and they're gonna pull the supplies back. Go pull back when we get the supplies over here. Okay.
All right, sounds good.
Supply guys, man. They never came back.
Hey, it's probably a lot for them.
Yeah,
so
they're getting it.
just give them a minute.
All right, let's go. We gotta keep pushing.
Anybody got a radio with the supply guys?
Oh, it's not even.
They got anybody with supplies yet?
No.
Anybody got a radio with the supply guys? Yeah, they're.
Bishop, I have visual on the supply guys. They are passing the base.
Roger that. Hey, we got the supplies right now coming to the spawn. Hey, but get out of the way.
Right to left.
Hey, we'll just bring the supplies to you. Hey, bring the supplies up here.
Fuck, get in contact.
I'll take. Is it heavy? No.
Throw it up on my shoulder.
Okay. No, we got it. Where's the? Do we got the cratering charges?
Hey, y'all get someone to open the back door open. Hey, Goose!
Goose!
Goose! Grossy!
Open the door!
Any chance you guys got shots on it?
Hey, there go bazooka! Yo! You got it! Supplies coming in.
Give us covering fire, we'll put the supplies in the back.
Go ahead.
Watch out,
Hey,
watch
move it right to left.
Hey, lift the right foot up.
Right foot up.
Gunner, right foot.
There you go. Ah! Yeah, you got close enough.
Hey, they're moving right to left.
Right foot up.
Gunner, right foot.
I'm gonna destroy my motor.
You go.
Ooh, nope.
I can't tell who's down and who's not.
Hey, fuck these people anyway. Hey, they're flanking.
Who is? The Germans?
Germans are flanking fucking right to left. They're coming around.
You sure? Where's our vehicle?
I don't know.
It's right there. All US forces, all US forces. We need to start picking up and pushing towards the base.
Hey, I think the guy got on the gun.
Well, let's use this truck for cover. Ready?
Alright.
Hey, cover me. I'm moving up to the truck.
Go. Go. Hey, Sam in front of you.
I'm out, reloading. Damn it.
Is that one not feeding either?
No.
Go. Hey, move. Move out of the way.
Rush the base.
Hey,
All US forces, rush the base.
He's down.
I don't know who's down and who's alive.
Behind the truck.
Move out of the way.
Green, hey, we got friendlies on the right side of the trucks.
Go. Get in that objective. Let's go.
US forces have the base. All US forces pick up and move towards the flag. Hit.
there we go.
Just a bit cheeky breaky on his part.
All people on this channel, friendly forces on
Alright, we got-
objective. How copy?
Hey man, you want to pull the water bottle out right now?
All right,
Alright, so we got
so
SS base, right?
yeah, we got the SS base.
Okay, so
We're good with
with next
SS base.
is
St. Lo.
San Lo's the next, and then we're gonna take Con, and then radio tower, and then fucking Berlin.
Should we go after the radar station?
Depending on what they want us to do,
We're gonna
I'm assuming San Lo is gonna be the next objective.
All right.
All right, so should we gather the forces and then out to St. Lo?
Yep. All right. Hey, check it out.
All forces.
Hey.
Yo, come in, bring it in.
Green, gather around. Listen up.
Hey, check it out. We're gonna rally on the fucking tank. All right, same thing, same rules apply. Green's on the right, blue's on the left. Make sure you spread out, stay on line. All right, we're gonna push. We're St. Lo.
Stand low.
We're gonna push with stand low, okay? Everybody tracking? Make sure everybody's drinking water. Take a knee right now and drink some water real quick before we start moving out.
Yeah, hey guys.
You can, but they're right on the other side of this clearing. There's a some fallen branch and woodry that they're using as a trench line. So our best bet is to keep them covered or keep them suppressed here while our fucking blue band guys flank across.
Okay. Sounds good. Let it build.
It's a technical.
We got smoke, please.
We have smoke. Oh, gas, gas, gas! Gas, gas, gas!
Gas,
Gas, gas, gas, gas, gas! Get away from the yellow mustard!
Let's go, right side, move up, move up!
Gas, gas, gas!
You good, man?
Hey guys, we're going this way. Let's get around the technical.
No step on snake. What's up? Gas, gas! Gas, gas, gas! US Forces gas! Retreat from area, back up about 200 meters. Back up 200 meters! Yo! We gotta get her out of the gas.
No, the gas is just the smoke.
Oh, so we get to push?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we can push this way right here.
Yeah.
But over here, we can't fucking touch it because fucking that gas. I'm not sure that killed anyone either.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, so we get to push?
Hey, I'm pretty sure we can push this way right here. But over here, we can't fucking touch it because of fucking that gas. I'm not sure if that killed anyone either though.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, we need a fucking line to suppress them so we have another fucking group to go around.
Like go around and flank on the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. It's nice. Okay. Pretty good.
Alright, US Forces, blue band, get parallel with the road, get online. Green band, link up with 6.
Just take them.
Yeah.
Take all the green bands that way and go around, and we'll push everybody forward. We'll do battle drill on Alpha.
I love it.
Go like super deep though.
Yeah, got it.
On the radio.
All right. Hey,
Check if
Hey.
you're missing a radio.
I need a couple guys. We're gonna flank across this field.
Hey, we're taking a cruise over there.
We have a what?
Into it. We got a clear point right here.
All
We're
right.
gonna hit this point hard.
All right. Sam, 6. This is 5. Or 5. This is 6. We got fucking clearing right here. We're about to take it. I need suppressing fire.
I got you, dog.
All right.
Ready?
Roger that. Hey, if you got a blue band, get online. Get online with me if you got a blue band. Move up, pick up and move while they're flanking. Go. Go.
Let's go. Go, 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 go. Hey, let's go. Cross, cross, cross.
All horses, be advised we're losing technical until they get some batteries.
Hey, get down. Technical. 5. This is 6. Our attack is stalled.
We're moving up.
Hey, we have a technical on our left-hand side. Or right-hand side, I apologize.
Round up. Covering fire, covering fire.
Ah, hit!
Blue side, move up. Everybody that's to the right of us that on the original attack site, move forward. We're on the left. We're clear up to now. We need the fire. Germans are retreating on your side. Push up, you'll be able to get them. Go, you're good. Goose, where's the contact at? Okay. All U.S. forces move up. All U.S. forces move up.
Hey, watch that barrier. Watch that barrier to your right. Copy.
That guy's dead. Move up, move up, move up, move up. Woo, I almost tripped again.
Hey, Vito, that barrier's to the front of us.
Move side, move up. Everybody that's to the right of us out on the original attack site, move forward. We're on the left. We're clear up now. We need the fire.
Left.
Retreating on your side, punch up, you'll be able to get him.
Vito, we got guys moving from left to right.
All U.S. forces move up. All U.S. forces move up.
Hey, watch that barrier. Watch that barrier right to your right.
Move up, move up.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Back up, back up, back up. Ah, fuck, hit.
Dead, dead, dead. Dead bit.
All U.S. forces, all U.S. forces. We have changed the flag. New spawn point is Carrington. Everybody move up, get online. Enemy down! Stay kaput! Spawn is no longer at SS base. Okay.
Further back past SS.
Yeah, we're just waiting for our technical. Has all of our supplies in it.
I just wanted to make sure it was all the way up before anybody
Five, that is same level, not Carrington.
Oh, my bad. I didn't look at the map yet.
Roger that.
We have the crossroad. All U.S. forces move up. We're clear up till there.